MSR Trail Series snowshoes are engineered for comfort and lightweight efficiency along flat trails, valley basins, and rolling terrain. With streamlined designs, they're ideal for covering serious distance or having serious fun closer to home. Trail Series snowshoes include several models, so you can choose the one that's best for you. Our best-selling unisex Evo Trail is the perfect entry-level choice for beginner and intermediate snowshoers or those looking for a super durable option that will stand up to years of hard use. The molded plastic frame is sturdy and has molded brake bars and steel traction rails for excellent grip. The Revo Trail, available in men's and women's versions, is an ideal blend of durability and performance, with more traction than the Evo for steeper hills. The Lightning Trail, also in men's and women's, is our lightest weight snowshoe available. It's perfect for those looking to go long distances in less technical terrain and has the most traction of the Trail Series snowshoe options. Each model features the Paraglide binding, which is designed for ease of use and comfort for newer snowshoers while providing a secure fit. The single mesh piece stretches evenly over your foot for unmatched comfort. It provides a pressure point-free hold that is compatible with nearly any footwear, from light hikers to snowboard boots. To put on the Paraglide, place your foot against the toe stop and simply pull the outside strap forward over your foot. Then tighten and secure the rear strap. Roller buckles make tightening the straps easy and intuitive by holding them in place without slippage. Large, easy-to-grab buckle pulls make removing the straps quick and simple, even with gloves on. MSR's unrivaled frame traction and a steel crampon offer reliable grip, letting you explore the winter landscape with confidence. Optional accessory tails can be added to all MSR snowshoes for extra length and float in deep snow or powder conditions. Made in the USA, Trail Series snowshoes are made with the same quality engineering that goes into MSR's most advanced snowshoes. Perfect for casual snowshoers on local trails or minimalists moving quickly in flat terrain, the Trail Series will get you out there with confidence and comfort.
The TSL Symbios Phoenix is the snowshoe I'm the most proud of. This is our first frame made out of recycled plastic, and it's an area exclusivity for this year. How cool is that? 100% flexible, and with a high grip, these snowshoes feel like freedom. They come in 3 sizes: small, medium, and large. The Symbios Phoenix are fully designed to offer the most natural stride as possible. 100% flexible, hourglass-shaped frame reinforced with thermoplastic insert, you feel the revolution. We thought about the comfort but didn't forget the grip. These snowshoes are equipped with 8 alpine fountain-style claws and a sharp multitude front teeth to head to the steepest mountains. The Symbios Phoenix are built with a fully adjustable presettable binding. Easy to preset to your boot thanks to the TSL foot size memory lock adjustment. The small will fit shoe from size 6.5 to 12. The medium will fit a shoe from size 7 to 13, while the large will fit a shoe from size 8 to 15. The ankle strap can be preset and is easily adjustable thanks to the ratchet system. While for the toe cap, the bra fit system tightens the lace in precise uniform way, allowing you to adjust the binding to your foot quickly with reducing pressure point around the front of the foot. Lateral adjust, a TSL pattern, adds an extra level of adjustment. The heel lift directly attached to the binding is a real plus in terms of comfort. Always well placed, with no pressure point and equipped with sound and shock absorber, it can be activated simply with a pull. Without forgetting one of the most important features of TSL products, the Symbios Phoenix are 100% repairable, and we guarantee to keep any spare pieces up to 10 years. And don't worry about the distance, we thought it all. We have a warehouse environment full of spare pieces waiting for your snowshoes to get old. TSL snowshoes are made in the French Alps, and they are all delivered in their own storage bag.
Hi there, I'm Brandon Dubois. I'm the product line manager here at Tubbs Snowshoes. And I'm here today to talk to you about our full snowshoe line and also how to choose snowshoes. Here I have the Tubbs Flex Vert snowshoe. It comes with the dynamic fit BOA binding for maximum ease of use, security, and the micro adjustability of the BOA closure system. Additionally, it has a 19-degree heel bar for hiking in steep terrain and has the maximum level of traction of any of our Flex snowshoes for hiking in steep and icy terrain where traction really matters. The Flex Vert comes in a 21 and 25-inch snowshoe for the women's models and a 25-inch and 29-inch snowshoe for the men's models.
how to get into this binding. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open up the tongue. So pop the boa dial, it'll click. You can open it up, make sure the heel strap is loose. You insert your foot all the way to the front, make sure that you're touching the toe stops. You're gonna tighten the heel strap first, then you click down on the boa. You just give it a turn until the cables are tight. Now you're in the snowshoe. To get out of the snowshoe, you're gonna pop the dial, pull up on the tongue, grab the heel strap, pull it forward, and get it a little looser, and then you can step out of the snowshoe.
We hope you enjoy our snowshoes as much as we do, and we'll see you on the trails.
What's up, you guys? Wildhorn Outfitters here again, this time talking about the Sawtooth snowshoes. Now, these come in two different lengths, 21 inches and 27 inches. 21 inches is optimized weight range of 80 to 160 pounds, and the 27 inches is optimized 165 to 225 pounds roughly. The easy ratchet style binding uppers with a quick release and a self-locking buckle to secure a heel strap, giving it an easy to adjust fit. No lacing necessary and very easy to put on. The Sawtooth snowshoe is designed with lightweight materials, with durable aluminum frame that allows for maximum snow flotation performance for better and more natural walking through the deep snow. And of course, when snowshoeing, it requires traction. Each shoe has a front toe to heel steel crampons for maximum traction and efficiency over rolling terrain. The pressure from your feet let the crampon act as an extreme ice pick for your boots. The heel riser provides an elevated support when climbing up steep inclines, allowing for a more natural step. The heel lift riser comes up under your heel to support you when you need it and lays flat when you don't. And lastly, anti-slip features. The Sawtooth snowshoes have boot grip, no-slip textured pads, and an excess heel strap clip. These systems cradle your foot to hold you in place and prevent sliding around while snowshoeing this winter. Alright, there you have it, you guys. Look forward to seeing the Sawtooth snowshoes on your feet. Have a fun and safe winter this year. Tag us in your photos at Wildhorn Outfitters. Until next time, peace.
Hey guys, it's Mang with Yukon Charlies, and today I'm going to tell you about the North Wave spin binding system and how easy it is to use. Simply step into the binding system and slide your foot until it reaches the top. Once your foot feels secure, spin the dial until the binding is hugging your foot. Now if you get it too tight, you can always release the tension so the fit is right for you. To release your foot, pull on the release tab, and that dial system will loosen and allow you to step out. The North Wave binding system is my personal favorite and easy to use, which in turn gets you on the trail so you can experience winter. That's it from me. As always, check out yukoncharlies.com to find the latest gear that's right for you.